Are you ready for this? This system was launched in 1988. But guess what? It's still running today in banks, factories, and government offices around the world. Can you name that tech? Pause the video here if you want to make a guess. And now for the big reveal. It's the IBM AS 400, or as it's more commonly called these days, IBM I. And no, it's not some obscure retro computer nerd thing. It's a mainstream enterprise server that runs on millions of machines out there. In fact, many major corporations still run critical systems on AS400, like ERP, finance, and logistics. Some banks even use it. So, why is everyone still using this old dinosaur? Hasn't it become obsolete? Well, no. And there are 5 reasons why. First, rock-solid stability. These machines run for years without rebooting. Seriously, Google it. People actually brag about how long they've run their AS400s without a hitch. That kind of reliability is hard to beat. Second, legacy compatibility. Lots of companies still use apps that were written in the 1980s or 90s. You know, those old RPG or COBOL programs your grandpa used to write. They still work on AS400. In fact, they're still editable. Just ask any millennial who's had to fix one of those legacy systems. They'll tell you all about it. Third, low maintenance. AS400 rarely breaks, and when it does, it's easy to fix. Plus, it has way fewer security issues than modern systems. And let's be honest, we can all use a little less stress in our lives. Fourth, it's an all-in-one beast. The operating system, database, and security are fully integrated, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues or patches. It's a complete system that works seamlessly. Fifth, IBM I is evolving. It now connects with Python, Java, and even cloud environments. So it's not stuck in the past, it's moving forward with the times. So the next time you hear someone say, old tech is dead, show them this. The AS400 didn't die. It just kept working. Please subscribe and likes if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.